Hello dear students, today we will do exercise 6c and its fourth part. Given that square root of ax square minus b is equal to c, find the value of x when a is equal to 2, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to 5. So, हमें 3 values given है a, b और c और एक equation given है which is this one. So what we have to do, it is very simple. We will write out this equation ax square minus b is equal to c and put the values in it. Now what we will do is square root को ऐसे लिखा. Now a की जगह पे हम लिखेंगे 2. In place of x we will write nothing क्योंकि we need to find x. Means हम इसमें कोई वैल्यू नहीं पुट करेंगे बल्कि x स्क्वायर को as it is रहने देंगे. Then negative sign as it is. Then in place of b we will write b is equal to 7. This is equal to c. So c की जगह पे हम लिखेंगे 5. The values which are already given in the question. Now what we can do is हमने देखा कि स्क्वायर रूट है यहाँ पर, सो वी टेक स्क्वायर ऑन बोथ साइड्स. क्योंकि एक स्क्वायर है, ये देखिए हमने दोनों साइड पर स्क्वायर ले लिया और स्क्वायर वो नंबर है जो स्क्वायर रूट को कैंसिल करता है. सो वी आर लेफ्ट विद 2x square minus 7 is equal to 5 square is what? 5 square means 5 multiplied by 5, so we get 25. Now we solve it further. Now the 7 is being subtracted over here, so when it will go to the other side it will be added. So we get 32. Now 2 is being multiplied with x square, so on the other side it will go and will be divided. Now we get x square is equal to 16. Now we take square root on both sides. Why? क्यों हम square root ले रहे हैं? To cancel out this square on x. So we get x is equal to 4. In fact, we will write plus minus 4. Now, what is the meaning of plus minus 4? Plus minus 4 means that x can be 4 and x can be minus 4 as well. Means जब हम square root of 16 लेते हैं तो हमारे पास 2 values आती हैं, plus 4 and minus 4. Why? क्योंकि 16 के ऊपर अगर square root है तो बेसिकली हम ये देखते हैं कि 16 कौन से नंबर का स्क्वायर है. मीन्स हम कौन से नंबर को 2 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करें तो वो हमारे पास 16 आएगा एंड दैट इज 4. लेकिन अगर मैं लेती हूँ -4 और उसका स्क्वायर लूं, -4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय -4. नाउ माइनस माइनस प्लस एंड 4 4s are is 16. Again we got again we got 16. It means चाहे हम positive 4 का स्क्वायर लें या negative 4 का स्क्वायर लें, both of them is going to give us 16. So the answer is plus minus 4. So I have written it as point to remember. ये वो point है जो आपने याद रखना है कि y square root of 16 gives us plus 4 and minus 4. Now we move on to our next question. Now look, another question number 5 with the same strategy. We are given with an equation and some values. B is 7, C is 2 and we need to find A. So what we will do, we will put in the equation. So in place of A, we will write A. because we need to find it. Okay, अब इस square root में हम क्या लिखेंगे? 3 as it is. In place of b we write 7. Then plus c. In place of c we write this 2 divided by b minus c. Okay, so in place of b we write 7 and in place of c we write 2. Now we further solve it. First I remove these arrows so that you can clearly watch it. Alright, now we will solve it. A equals to 3 times 7 is 21 plus 2 over 7 minus 2 is 5. So here we get 23 divided by 5. So this is our answer. Now there is another question which I would like you to solve it on your own. Okay, it is the B part of the same question. The question is that find the value of C when A is 4 and B is 9. And equation is the same. Equation हमारे पास यही है 3B plus C over B minus C. Now this is your assignment question. So now pause the video and solve this question on your notebooks or some paper, and then when you get its answer, write it in the comment box and I will check it out whether it is right or not. And if you find any difficulty, you can again write it in the comment box. Now we move on to next question, which is question number 6. Okay viewers, so in this question we have to solve the equation. Now what is the meaning of solving the equation? It means to find the value of unknown. Unknown means variable. For example, in this question we have b as unknown. So we need to find the value of b. So this question is very easy. When there is an equal sign in the middle and there are two fractions on the side, means अगर दरमियान में equal का sign है और उसके दोनों sides पर fractions हैं, तो we can do cross multiply. Cross multiply में क्या होगा? Look at these arrows. This is cross multiplication. 1 will be multiplied with b minus 1. ये देखिए 1 is multiplied with b minus 1. इसके साथ multiply हो गया. Okay, equal sign वैसे ही आ गया. और 2 will be multiplied with this b minus 2. So 2 multiplies with b minus 2. Now we open up the brackets. 1 will be multiplied with both b and 1. So we get b minus 1 equals 2b minus 4. Now we combine the like terms. So 2b is bigger. So we try कि हम smaller b को इसके पास ले आए. So this b is added over there. 2b के पास आकर ये subtract हो जाएगा. Now here we are left with minus 1. Okay. यहाँ पर हमारे पास minus 4 है. So when we take minus 4 to the other side, it will be added. So 2b minus 1b is 1b and 4 minus 1 is 3. So we get the value of b as 3. So this is your answer. Now in D part, again we have to solve the equation, and by solving the equation we means that we need to find the value of D. So how you can do it? हम इसको अपने previous question की form में लेकर आते हैं. How? कैसे? ये एक subtraction का sign है और अगर मैं इसको दूसरी साइड पर ले जाऊं और 0 के अंदर इसको प्लस कर दूं like this, क्योंकि इस साइड पर ये subtraction में था. When it will go to the other side, it will be added in 0. Now anything added in 0 is again the same, means 0 से उसके ऊपर कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होगा and we will get the same value. Okay, now again we cross multiply over here. 5 will be multiplied with d minus 2 and 2 will be multiplied with d plus 4. Now we open up the brackets and we get 5d minus 10 and here we get 2d plus 8. Now 5d हमारे पास bigger है तो हम 2d को 5d के पास लेकर आते हैं. 2d is added over here so it will be subtracted on the other side. Now 8 is left here. Now 10 will go to this side and will be added. वहां पर वो subtraction में था, यहाँ पर आकर plus हो गया. So we get 18 and here we get 3d. So next, now you must have practiced it very well and you know if 3 is being multiplied with d, on the other side it will be divided. So we get d is equal to 6. So this is your answer. You may note it down in your neat copies and then we move on to our next part, which is question number 6 and its E part. Now dear viewers, in this question again we have to solve the equation, which means we need to find the value of f. अब इसको solve करने के लिए हम ऐसा कर सकते हैं, 6 over f minus 10 over 3f is equal to 2. मैंने रीराइट किया इस इक्वेशन को. नाउ वी कैन सी कि यहाँ पे हमारे पास 3f है जबकि यहाँ पे हमारे पास ओनली f है. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू, वी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3, सो देन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई द न्यूमरेटर विद 3 एज वेल. सो वी गेट 18 over 3f minus 10 over 3f is equal to 2. Now moving on further, when denominators have become same, so we write it just once और numerator में आ जाएगा 18 minus 10. So we get 18 minus 10 is 8 over 3f is equal to 2. So further we simplify it. 3f is being divided over here, so it will go to the other side and will be multiplied. So we get 6f is equal to 8. Now 6 is being multiplied over here, so on the other side it will be divided. Now you see that this is an improper fraction. This one is an improper fraction. Why it is improper fraction? Because here the denominator is less than numerator, means ये जो ऊपर हमारे पास वैल्यू है it is bigger than the denominator, so it is improper. So we will convert it into a mixed number. How? 8 divided by 6, so we get 6 ones are 6 and 2 is left. Okay, so we have two methods. If we write like this, 1 whole 2 by 6, so then we can further divide it like this, 2 ones are 2 and 2 3s are 6. But you can also do it like this कि आप पहले इसको यहीं पे simplify कर लें. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. So we get 4 over 3 is equal to f. Now we divide 4 by 3. So we get 3 ones are 3 and 1 is left. So we get 1 whole 1 over 3. Always remember कि जब आप mixed number लिखते हैं तो यहाँ से आपका एरो स्टार्ट होता है. सो यू राइट इट लाइक दिस, 1 whole 1 over 3. तो आपने ये देखा कि 1 whole 1 over 3, यहाँ पर भी हमारे पास वही आंसर आया जो यहाँ था. For today our lecture time is over. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. So students, you must subscribe my channel so that you may not miss any of my videos. For now, take care and bye-bye.